y'all better come on in here and sit down, because I have something so fly, so dope, so cute, so fun, so sexy, so beautiful for you. If you can't tell, I was all the way in my bag, okay? I mean, all up and through there. All right, this hair is not to be played with, and you know what? It's club such and such approved, even glueless. I have the deets that you need, so if you want to see what this is, stay tuned. Okay, cousins, y'all, oh my, come on now, face. Anyways, so ISEE Hair sent me this wig. This is their 4x6 Wear Go Afro curly wig in 18 inches. Now, let me make a couple things clear. This is not one of their M caps. You know, their M caps are, I think, 9x6, so it has a lot more like closure area. This one it has 4 inches going back, 6 inches going across. I'll be honest, I was not sure how I was gonna like that 4 inches, that little baby part, y'all. I was like, I see here, I thought you supposed to know better than that, but I don't know. But we're gonna see how it works out, okay? As you can see, it's Afro curly. Now, y'all know my favorite curl on wigs is kinky curly, but it's not. My absolute favorite curl is Afro curly. It's just a little bit tighter than kinky curly, and baby, I was so excited when they said they were gonna send me this wig. Okay, so first and foremost, yes, I love it. I love the way it looks. I always like their construction. They have the adjustable elastic band for a glueless fit, so your wig does not fly off in service, okay? It really doesn't matter who is preaching. It won't fly off. It does have the C-shaped ear tabs for people who wear glasses, so it fits comfortably, or really for anybody, just so it fits comfortably over your ear. It's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, okay? Now, we talked about this tweezing. They want it to look so natural, but sometimes it can look too thin, so they are working on that. So ISEE Hair, yes, let's make sure that's right, okay? Let's make sure that's right and tight, because wigs can be too tweezed and overly tweezed, okay? This is perfect right here. Let's do everybody's like this, okay? Okay, now, right out the box, this is why I like Afro curly hair, okay? It's already bopping, okay? Not stopping. It's already there, okay? It has arrived. It arrived 45 minutes ago. All right, so let's just throw that out there on the table, okay? I was already feeling myself. So, but y'all know I like to pop curls here, cause that's what I do. You don't have to do this. As you can see, look. I ain't got to sit up here and look at it, okay? So let's not even do that like it's not already fly, cause it is. Now, the lace is pre-cut, but it's still a little bit too much lace on there for my liking. So I'm gonna just give it a little, we're just gonna make it a little bit more natural to me, okay? Just a little bit more natural. Bada boom, bada bang. That's it, okay? We're gonna go ahead and tint the lace, because there has not been a lace invented that is like that enough to match my cafe ole. Let's just be honest about this thing, okay? We're gonna lock that color in there. Now, y'all already know what time it is. When I know I'm gonna have one part, I'm more than likely gonna use the Perfect Line Swiss. What that does, it makes the grid disappear. Yes, this wig is pre-bleached, but even with bleach knots, what do you still see? The grid, the lace holes. You know what I'm saying? Because that's lace, and so it doesn't really match our skin. This gives it a skin-like finish, okay? Now with Perfect Line Swiss, I'm just telling y'all, there is a method that you have to follow. I flopped the first time and I was like, I can't do this. But then I said, let me just try one more time, because they have directions. And I said, let me just read and just, follow the instructions. Yeah, because the first time I didn't do it and just ignorant. Okay, so these are the steps that you take to give it that nice skin-like finish. And it literally alleviates that grit. That's what you get. Even with bleach knots, you still see those holes, okay? When you apply Perfect Line Swiss, the holes disappear. Okay, I just want to show you side by side so that you see what I'm talking about. So again, and you can see right there where I did not put the product, you can see the holes, okay, off to the side of that part. So that's just to show you what that perfect line Swiss does, you guys. It's a total game changer for lace wigs. I ain't lying, all right? Total game changer. Now we about to pop those curls. Y'all already know what time it is. I like my curly wigs to be good and greased up like they just got baptized. So you are going to just, really, if you want to wash it, if you want to co-wash it, you can do that as well. I was a little pressed for time, so I just used my mister, got it good and juicy, okay? Brush through it. I love this brush, you guys, because it has two sides. One side to detangle, the other side to define. So right now I'm just going through with the detangling side just to run through. Y'all look at that. Look at the texture, baby. And it now we about to put the plop on there, okay? The curl's not even ready. Because they already like that without this, okay? I'm just being ignorant on top of ignorant. You already know. If you're not new to this, you true to this, you know what time it is. So if you want to elevate your wig styling game, these are some of the things that you can do. You don't have to do it, all right? You want to clump those curls. I'm on the define side of the brush now, okay? It is going to clump those curls and hold them tight like a good relationship, okay? That's what you want. Again, this is optional. Now, y'all know I swear by this thing right here, honey. When it comes to my curly wigs, yes, this does not just finger coil, you guys. There are little teeth things on this finger tool. It smooths while it coils, okay? My finger does not have those little teeth on them. So my finger does not smooth it while it coils. That tool does, all right? Y'all, look how beautiful that hair is. Come on now. Do you understand why I love Afro curly even more than kinky curly? Do you understand? All right? So I'm just gonna go all around the wig, get a few little coils. You see, I didn't do too much. I did enough for what I'm trying to do, because I like big ignorant hair, so I didn't want it to be super defined, but defined enough. All right, now usually when I do this, I let it sit in air dry overnight, but like I said, I didn't have time, so I put that thing to it. Okay, bam. Now we just gonna plop it on because it's glueless, so no spray, no adhesive, no gel, no tape, no nothing, okay? Again, bam, you see that scalp? Come on now. I ain't out here playing with y'all. Now, we just gonna throw this on. Now, I already expected it to be fly, okay? Let's just tell the truth, shame the devil. I knew it was gonna be fly, but to what degree of it, okay? I didn't know it was gonna be this fly. Now, with that being said, and look at that part. That 4 inches apart, it's still looking nice, y'all. I just put a little dollop of color at the very front of that closure because I don't put the perfect line Swiss all the way to the front, okay? Because then you got this big, thick glop of product right there. Now, I don't do that. So we're going to pick it out, and you're going to see it in its form, and then you're going to see it a little bit later on in the day because I was fluffing, y'all. I like these wigs when they big, thick, and ignorant, okay? And you will see the progression of that throughout the rest of this. But again, this is ISEE Hair, y'all. Go get this wig, okay? I'm going to say it one more time because I know somebody just walked in with their finger up. Go get this wig, okay? Have a seat, put your church finger down, and hear me what I say. Go get this wig, okay? I want y'all to understand. Now ISEE Hair, I want their wigs to look just like that one on my head. Let's do that. Let's do that, okay? I don't have a problem with ISEE Hair. I love ISEE Hair. I have ghost bought from them many times and have always been pleased. I know a lot of you have been pleased with their wigs. I want everybody to be pleased with their wigs. This is what I want the folk to get, okay? So I'm gonna just throw that out there. Now, everything else is just styling, y'all. Everything is just styling. You could stop. You really didn't have to do any of this stuff. But again, y'all already know your cousin, okay? So I just loosely pulled my coils out, and look, y'all. Look. Oh, let me tell you, I snipped 2 little pieces in the front so that I can have 2 coils that's a little bit shorter, kind of like a bang. So the 2 little coils that you see in the front, they are shorter than the rest of the wig. Now let's talk about this. 18 inches is the sweet spot for these types of wigs. Now, of course, you are free to order anything that you gonna order with your own jacket pocket. But with curly wigs, my favorite length of all time is 18 inches. It already has a shape. You know what I'm saying? It already has that like really, really beautiful shape. The volume is just perfect. So if you are going for this look right here, 18 inches is very important because the longer the hair, it changes the shape. The shorter the hair, it changes the shape, okay? 18 inches is the sweet spot. Y'all know I don't gatekeep, okay? I'm gonna tell y'all all the juice in the tea. Y'all, I am so loving this wig. I see here, y'all did that. Y'all did that. I'm not even gonna hold you. This is beautiful. Look at it. Just look how it's, look. And it's glueless. And it is on there, y'all. It literally is not moving. It's on there. And you could, like if you're out in the wind, perhaps, it can flip-flop any which way and land and still be fly, no matter what position it lands in. Okay? That's important, depending on where you live. It's windy in a lot of places. You got to be careful because the wind will tell the story. Now we're going to test it out and see the double dutch test. You know when you about to double dutch, but you got to see now if that wig is going, okay. It is double dutch approved, but is it club such and such approved? Because you can't go to the club with a glueless wig on if it ain't going to act right. Look, it's acting right. It's acting correctly. You see it? Y'all, I believe this thing right here is club such and such approved. Yeah, you see it. We're not moving. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give it that stamp of approval. Be a club such and such, okay? Y'all, go get this wig right now. Go get it, okay? Peace, love, light.